So today we're going to do something different. We're going to try how to install Kali Linux inside of a Windows machine, that is by using VirtualBox. So first thing you have to see is check if your CPU supports virtualization. So mine is already enabled, and if it is not, you can go into your BIOS and simply enable a flag. Okay, I will not be going into that. We'll go ahead into the next steps. So go to Google and search for VirtualBox. So you can see in the search result that you have Oracle VirtualBox. Click on it and you gotta download it, right? So let's go to downloads, and you can see that the latest version is 7.14. So click on Windows host and save the file wherever you want, right? And yep, wait for it to download. It's not a huge file by any means, and click on it. You have the usual Windows installer. Next. I want to install it in E, so just let's create a folder. Yep, VirtualBox. Click OK. Next, and yep, so it's just saying that the network interface will change, and missing dependencies are Python core. So yes, to download that. Next, install. So this will install pretty fast. So I thought, why not do something related to Linux, or something related to Kali Linux. So I thought I'll do this and include it in my videos, because this is something I'm interested in and something I think that you guys will also be interested in too. Yeah, so sometimes videos like this will come out. So as you can see, VirtualBox is here installed, and when you click on the plus icon, you can actually download this. So go to kali.org and download the Kali Linux RAR file. Okay, so we will not be downloading ISO, we'll be downloading a zip file, which when we unzip it gives us the image that we need, because the file size is a bit big. So Kali Linux, as you know, is used for penetration testing, hacking, ethical hacking, if I may say. And yeah, I mean, I've used this thing in the past, but I want to revisit it, especially since a lot of things are going around and you need to know how secure an application is. So knowing Kali Linux is always good. So we'll go ahead with the VirtualBox edition, and here on the downloads page I will install the VirtualBox edition, and click on this, save it to whatever location you want. This will be a bit big, so depending on your internet connection, just try to download this. So I'm using the latest as of 10th of January 2025, which is the date of recording this video. And yeah, so basically try to get the VirtualBox extension pack also, which is also recommended to go with VirtualBox. So just install that as well and you're good to go. So let's jump straight into how we can launch the image. So once you unzip the Kali Linux image, go to the plus, go to where you unzipped it, go to the folder and click on it. And as you can see, you have a preview of what looks like Kali Linux. So as you can see, the base memory is 2 gigs, and there are a lot of bunch of other options which you don't need to get into, and we will not be getting into in this video. And what I want to do is I want to go to the settings, and I want to increase the amount of memory Kali Linux is or will be given by my host, which is Windows. So here the host system is Windows, and Kali Linux is what is running on top of the host. So if you go into settings, as you can see, you have some options. So here, as you can see, you have 2 gigabytes of RAM. I want to increase it to 4096 MB, which is 4 gigabytes of RAM. Okay, and processor, so here it is 2 cores. I'm giving it 4 cores, right? Because I won't be using a lot of processes or threads on Windows when I'm using Kali, so I guess it's safe. And I want Kali to run very smoothly, because we will be doing a lot of things using Kali Linux in upcoming videos. So if you're interested, do let me know down in the comments that apart from web development, you also need content on AI and stuff like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and launch Kali Linux right here. So Kali Linux on VirtualBox. So I'm pretty excited for this. I have actually installed Kali Linux in my laptop, in my previous laptop, which I wiped Windows, and I just had Kali going on for me for quite a while. before I had to switch back to Windows, which this was like 4 years back. And for the first time in 4 years, I'm actually using kalilinux. So pretty excited to see what Kali is offering. So default username is Kali, password is Kali, Kali, and let's go ahead and log in. So here I am currently in full screen mode. So basically it feels like yeah, the new logo. Wow, man, the last time I used Kali, this image was very different, very different. So here there are a bunch of options, a bunch of pre-built-in tools to perform all these hacks and, you know, penetration testing. Very interesting stuff. We will be going through each and every one of these tools, hopefully, if time permits. So if you go inside networks, you can see that we are using the wired connection. I'm not sure why that is showing up, but we'll get to that later. Let me see if I have an internet connection. You know, that's what I want to see. So here I'm going to terminal, and here let's type IP ADDR. So I just want to see what is my IP address. So here and the above you can see that we have a particular IP address, but this I think is using the NAT gateway, right? So I don't want to change that currently. Okay, you can have the bridged, but no. So let me ping google.com and see if I have an internet connection. And yes, as you can see, you are getting the pings. So this means a currently active internet connection is there for the OS running inside of VirtualBox, and the host is giving access to internet, which is good. Yep. So currently, let's just log out. This is the scope of this video as to how to install kalilinux. So if you have any doubts, you can leave a comment in the description below. Right, as always, and yep, stay tuned for more videos on kalilinux and Linux in general. We'll be covering a lot of topics, very interesting topics. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.